Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to temporarily disable fingerprint lock on Samsung Galaxy A06. Let's start this video. First of all, open the setting apps. From here, scroll down and select option lock screen. Here you can see on the top option screen lock type. Simply click on. From here, draw your current pattern. From here you can see option fingerprints. So you can see fingerprints is enabled. So if you want to enable fingerprint, then simply click on. So we check. So you can see fingerprint option is enabled. By applying this method, you can easily disable fingerprint lock on Samsung Galaxy A06. Hope so you like this video. Thanks for watching.